So this is Game On, 2 times a 16-shot, 200-gram cakes each by Black Cat Fireworks. We got Player 1 and Player 2. Interesting artwork. You got kind of the old game style here. That says 16 shots. And the side says 16 shots as well. On the back, we have information on it. Each one kind of shows a firework break. So, I guess this one's Player 1. It's not going to tell us information. Oh, there it is. Player 1 is red comet, red wave, and delay crackle, green comet, green wave, and delay crackle. So that's Player 1. Player 2, red, green, and white glitter, brocade, and crackle. So 16 shot each. Let's go shoot it off.